Dave's first butterfly sneeze happened at a board meeting. One moment he was fighting a tickle in his nose, the next. Achoo! 3 monarch butterflies fluttered around the conference room. His coworkers stared. His boss dropped her laser pointer. Allergies. Dave explained weakly as a butterfly landed on the quarterly report. By Thursday, Dave was sneezing entire kaleidoscopes of butterflies. His apartment became a fluttering rainbow. His cat was simultaneously delighted and confused. The government scientists arrived Monday. Fascinating condition, they said. It's just inconvenient. Dave sighed, then sneezed a perfect formation of blue morphos that spelled out, "Help me." His doctor prescribed antihistamines. They worked. Now he only hiccuped ladybugs.